can't get off, I'm bleeding.
It's me.
No, it's going to stick into my leg.
I can't get up because it hurts my balls. Okay, so this is the church at Clumber Park where Peter went the other night. We've come back today for a drone lesson, and I'll just span you around here. You're in cinematic mode here. As you can see, it's a nice evening. It's just a little bit cooler, which is nice. And we're just panning around the lake here as we go around now. All the young lads there, look. Hey, look. Oh, it might be a Brent goose actually. And there's some mute swans down there. Can you see them boys down there? Look. I'll zoom in on that for you as we're going round there. Look, lots more geese. Lots of goose shit actually. Here's the drone master. This is Peter. Say hello, Peter. There he is. Look there, the old git. Hey. And that's it. You've had a full circle. So we'll turn this off now, and we're gonna go drone flying. Yeah, so this is the old duffers walking again. We've just been doing a bit of droning, which I'm going to put together, so you'll see the drone. If you look in the back of the shot I'm showing you now, you can see the church steeple, which was 175 foot tall at St Mary's Church here. Yeah, and we're actually going now through where Robin Hood come from. I think this is where he met Maid Marian, actually, at Woods. This is now then. Now then, he said, "Oh, Robin." And yeah, we're in Sherwood Forest. Well, we're in Clumber Park, really, but I suppose it's all part of the same job. So yeah, it's quite good. So that's what we'll be doing. I'm trying to get a bit of practice because we're buggering off onto the Meanderers tour soon, toss a sauce trip to see the French village. So that's what we'll be doing. Steeple in all its glory again. Yeah, some nice trees here. It's very green, as it should be. It's National Trust. Okay, this is Squirrels R Us. I don't know if you can see the squirrels. I can see one. There's a red squirrel there, look. Doesn't look like a North American squirrel. There's a rabbit, look. See the rabbit there, look. Let's see the baby rabbit here, look. Slow down, Peter. There's the baby rabbit, look, running there. See the baby rabbit, Em? Yeah. Keep the dog back a bit. There's a red squirrel here, can you see it? It's a red squirrel, look. Look at its red tail. Yeah. They brought some red squirrels and let them go, you know. But they have done. I got one up Scotland, easy.
That looks like a red.
It is a red squirrel.
Right? That is a red squirrel.
That's what I keep telling her.
A red squirrel is a bushy tail.
That's
it
a
does.
red squirrel. It's got a bushy red tail.
No, it's half and half. It's an half cast. It's an half cast, Maeve.
Yeah.
That's all it is.
That's a red squirrel.
Look at those squirrels here, look.
I'm telling you. That's a red squirrel. That's a red squirrel.
It looks very red.
Very red.
Look at it. What do you think, Pep, to these squirrels? Look at them here, Pep. What do you think? Squirrels are us, look. Look, they're everywhere, look. Look. Hold on. Pepper says, "What's that?" What's that? He says, "It's a squirrel."
No pepper. No pepper.
You got it?
No pepper. Oh, look, it's a baby one there.
Oh yeah, you don't see very big.
Oh, look how tiny that is. Get that. Oh, it's sweet.
Do you know what they call a baby squirrel?
A baby.
Yeah. Sure. Just pull the dog back a bit, Ed.
Kit.
Yeah, Kit. Full marks, Maeve. That's a nice big oak tree, that.
What do you call the tail on a rabbit?
Pom-pom.
A skunk.
Yeah. There we go. Keep her back, Ed. Squirrels are us, look. Hey up, squirrel. Are you okay? You're the North American squirrel. There he is, look. He says, "Are you okay?" There he goes up the tree, look. You okay, squirrel? I don't think he's gonna let me get to him. He's not gonna let me get to you, are you? I know how fast you are. I know you're very, very fast. Very, very, very fast. Everywhere you look, these squirrels. It's called Squirrels R Us. A nice, is it a rhododendron tree, babe, this? What kind of tree is it? This purple plant. That's what I just said, I got it right for the video. And there's a mallard there, look. Christmas has got a ballad, a drake.
Oh, he's got lost.
So look at these trees here. God knows what kind of trees they are. Like a fir tree or a pine tree. You can see a wood pigeon. Look, it's nice to see a wood pigeon eat wood instead of on your bloody garden.